Thanks for tuning in today. We're going to shoot another video for the Sur Ron B, or Light B, or whatever it's called in the market today. And there's really not a whole lot more to say about the bike. So what we're going to do is an action video. Going to take it out to the family farm, get some trail vids, throw a camera on me or the bike, and probably have a couple of friends with cameras out there too to just get some nice shots for it. Overall, I would like to recap and say that I've really been loving the bike. I've been getting a lot of use out of it. Although I only live about 2 miles from from my house to work, I don't put a whole lot of miles on the bike because of that, except for just trying to free ride. So the mileage that I'm putting on it probably isn't as much as some people would like to see. However, I've been really enjoying it. I did bring it with me on a trip down to Florida, and it saved my butt. Had a breakdown in the van. I usually would take a gas vehicle with me, but I wanted to have something that didn't stink it up because I was sleeping in the van too. And the electric is really nice for that. You can throw it on the side, it's not going to leak, blah, blah, blah. So I brought the electric vehicle with me and had a breakdown about 5 miles from the Florida-Georgia border, and was able to run back to the next closest town 5 miles back, get some parts, come back to my truck, and then bam-ba-lam, get back on the road. So really nice there. Anyway, we'll get right to it. We're going to go out to some woods somewhere in mid-Missouri, shoot some vids for you, and get right back to it. All right, so we do our pre-check ride. We're gonna make sure that we have the tires pumped up, make sure that we have all the bolts tightened, chain tension, stuff like that. And as always, make sure we have our safety glasses. So we're pretty much ready to ride. I've already done the checks and we're good to go.
Glasses. So we're pretty much ready to ride.
Time to go out to the farm. Well, I've been trying to talk, and this is wearing me out. But man, how about having a scoop when you need it? This thing just gets. And I think we could deal with a little bit of gear down. We could definitely deal with some gear down, because I don't think I'm hitting over maybe 20, 25 miles an hour in any of this. Guess I can look and see. Woo! Yeah, max 19 miles an hour. 2.6 miles. 2.6 miles of doing that loop. I'll just do some hot laps around here and let Dallas catch up. These are some mountain bike trails that I created quite a while back. I haven't been here in a while, so it'll be interesting to see how well they've held up. Pretty steep hill. Not having any problem at all with torque. Oh yeah, no problem with torque. Where is the trail? There we are. That was turned into a deer path. A little thick. Still here though. Yeah, uphill. And downhill. That was a little treacherous. Whew. I don't think I'm bleeding. No, we're cool. My hands are,
Want to say anything to the viewers after you just got done?
Oh man, that was fun. Those were some mountain bike trails that I made quite a while back. I tried to talk on the trails and just ended up getting focused on the riding itself. They've turned into deer trails now, so that's kind of cool. But they were pretty thick, hard to ride on, but this had no problem with any of the steepness, with any of the sections where I needed to bump over a log or anything. I wouldn't mind re-gearing the bike a little slower, maybe putting a 17 on the back for more torque, but other than that, man, hard to complain about this guy. It's a lot of fun. Did what it needed to do. And let's see how the heat is. We've got just a little bit of warmth on the controller, hardly anything, nothing to write home about by any means. Motor, just a little bit of warmth on the motor, maybe 10, 20 degrees above ambient Fahrenheit. And I'm sure the batteries batteries are stone cold pretty much. So yeah. Oh, Bike handled well. Cool. I guess that's pretty much a wrap as far as the riding. That's plenty of riding time to show people how it handles and my skills on the bike, which I really don't have any these days. But at any rate, yeah, we'll just cut back to the studio and see y'all later. All right, hope you liked the vid and the little bit of riding content that we got for you here. I know that's been a popular request, so hope you like that kind of stuff. We can do more of it if you wish. Any other comments that you have about the bike or questions that you have about the bike, feel free to post up below and I will get to them for you. Thanks for tuning in.